guys, how's it going? Sorry for the bigger drone. As you'll see later in this episode, we obviously got the car running. And we've only got a 3-inch dump on it.
Yeah, right off the turbo.
Right off the turbo, so we don't know how much you can pick up. Do you want to turn it on the window a little bit, see if we can hear on my side? I mean, it sounds beautiful. Again, we don't know how much you guys can hear. It's obviously got lots of loud drone because the exhaust literally exits right underneath of us right now. I think we got about a foot, maybe a foot and a half of pipe.
Yeah.
Not a whole lot. And basically in this episode, we're not in the carport. We're going to be in the shop welding exhaust.
Yeah.
We got pipe sitting right there, as you can see. And first thoughts on the car?
It's loud. But yeah, it's nice. It's really nice to be driving again. It feels really good, you know, putting in all that work and to finally have a drive again, you know, like we touched a lot of stuff on the car, and for it to like start first turn of the key, basically right when we tried to, and now we're driving here on the highway, no problem at all. So yeah, knock on wood, hopefully everything goes well and we get home safe today. But yeah, you'll see us weld up the exhaust, and hopefully by the end of this video it'll be done.
And then hopefully we'll see how much it muffles the sound coming all the way out the back instead.
It's still gonna be loud.
Oh yeah, it'll be loud. Again, we're running a 3-inch straight pipe. So right now, honestly, it wasn't as loud as I thought it was gonna be though.
Yeah.
I expected much more noise to come out of the bottom. Still loud as shit. We pissed off a couple neighbors this morning, but no cops called, so that's a bonus.
Yeah.
And we'll see you guys in about a half an hour or so when we get to the shop, get everything set up, and then from there we will weld up some exhaust and have some fun, wreak some havoc.
Hello everybody. So as you can tell, the scenery's changed here, and we're at the shop. So yeah, we are gonna start to tackle the exhaust, starting with the downpipe, and we'll try to get the best angles we can with the camera. Lighting's not the best, but we'll show you kind of what we're dealing with here for the angles and how tight everything is. And yeah, we'll try our best to document what we're doing. We might not be able to catch everything, but we are going to start with the downpipe, get that situated, and then from there I'm hoping like everything's just goes really easily because it's mostly just straight section almost to the back. So yeah, without further ado, we're gonna get started here.